Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do half double crochet, and this will be done in rows instead of rounds. So I'll be doing it in such a way that only one side of the piece will show with, the only the front loops will be showing, and the back side will show like this. So I'm going to start it with chain 2, which will be chain 2 will be used as beginning half double crochet. Okay, and turn the work, and now this side I will be doing it in the second chain, a half double crochet. So it will be yarn over, insert hook in the next back loop of the stitch, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, and pull yarn through both the loops on hook. So this is again I'll show it to you. Yarn over, insert hook in back loop, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, and pull yarn through both loops on hook. So I'll be doing this till this end. Okay, I'm making a scarf. So I wanted to show it to you how the half double crochet looks in this piece. So I'll complete it till the end. I'll come over here and I'll show it to you again. So we are at the very end of this side of this row, and I'm going to do a couple of more stitches in the end. Okay, don't forget to count the last stitch, which will be the chain 2 of the previous row. Okay, because that is the stitch which usually gets left out. So I'm going to do here a half double crochet in the last chain 2. Okay, now when you turn around, okay, you first do chain 2 again, and then you turn around. Now what you will be doing is, you won't be doing the half double crochet in the back loop. This time you will be doing the half double crochet in the front loops. Okay, so in this way it will appear as lines, lines over here, and show this portion as the back side. This will be the wrong side and this will be the right side. Okay, by the way, I'm making a scarf. The pattern is going to be released very soon. Okay, before Valentine's Day. Yeah, so this again, skip the beginning half double crochet, and only in the front loop. Okay, so yarn over, front loop, insert the hook in the front loop, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, and pull yarn through all 3 loops on hook. This is what you will be continuing to do till the very end again. Okay, I'll show you a couple of the stitches and then I'll go towards the very end and I'll show you the completed piece. Okay, this is how it will show. So you see here, this is how beautiful it looks. So let me just get till the very end of this piece and I'll get back to you. Okay, so we are at the very end of the piece again, and I'll be doing the couple of stitches, couple of half double crochet in the front loops and show it to you. Okay, again when you come over here to the very end, don't forget this chain 2. This is very important, otherwise the piece will be wobbly. Okay, so I have done it. Now see, this is the wrong side, and you see how beautiful the front side, the right side looks like, all lines. It looks beautiful. Okay, so this is how you do half double crochet in rows, and only in the back loop, in such a way that only the one side will appear with lines and the other side will be like this. That's it. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you all.